Hey guys, today I've got some new releases from Magpies. The package has literally just arrived. I haven't had even a chance to open this up, so I'm just gonna get this bad boy open and show you guys what I've got. So Magpie have released some really new exciting crystals. This is the first ever time Magpie has released crystals, and they are limited edition. So if you guys want your hands on these, you are going to need to get them now. I'm going to leave links to everything below for you guys to check out. Oh, I cannot wait. So that you guys can grab a hold of these if you want. Oh, they look amazing. One day I'll do a haul and I won't drop something. Today is not that day. My goodness. So they all come in the little Magpie tubs and they're slight. Ooh, can't hold anything today. This is because I've got nails on. For the first time, literally the second time this year that I've got nails on, I was at the Scottish Hair, Nail, Lashes Awards last week in Glasgow, and I'm so delighted that I won Best Nail Art in Scotland. It was so unexpected. I don't think I've ever been so speechless in my life. Yeah, so thank you so much to everyone that voted for me. It means so much to me, so yeah, thank you guys. So we've got two different things we've got the gems and we've got the caviar beads. I'll get these guys open. So I'll show you the caviar beads first. These are tiny little beads. I'll put these on the bottom camera as well for you guys to see. But I've got these in the silver, the gold and the rose gold. So really nice. I've got a class tomorrow and the next day we're doing silver and gold. So I'm absolutely buzzing because I can now use these and show these to my student for some art. Okay, so all of the crystals come in these little tiny vials, just like usual, and they're a selection of different sizes. So I'm going to go through them all. I'll start with like the silver ones. So the first ones we've got are the white opal. These are like them cloudy white ones. Now I did a Christmas nail art tutorial last year using gems just like this and caviar beads, so I'll link that for you guys to check out, and I'll probably recreate some of the designs this year, to be honest. But you guys really liked that video last year, so I shall link it somewhere for you guys to see. Next up we have got crystal. So this is just like your standard silver ones, really nice. Then we have got your crystal AB. This is your, how do you say it, 𝗰𝗿𝗆𝗀? I've got no idea. But those are your like kind of holochromy crystal ones. They've got those pink and purple bits through it. Not totally rainbow, but yeah, you know what I mean. You shall see. Next up, we've got the bronze one. Well, not bronze. These are rose golds. These are going to be super popular. I already think I'm going to make another order of these because I know how popular they're going to be, and they're probably going to sell out very soon. Next up we've got vintage rose. So vintage rose is just slightly lighter than rose gold, and rose gold is more metallic-y, whereas vintage rose has some more like crystaliness to it. Next up we've got golden honey. These are gorgeous. These are pure gold crystals. Oh, I cannot wait to get these on the nail. Next up we've got a blue one. We've got aquamarine, which is a nice sky blue colour. And then we have got rose, which is a beautiful pink colour. And finally we've got light rose, which is a light pink. So you've got all the ranges there that you need to cover you for your nail art. You've got your silvers, your golds, your rose golds, your pinks and your blues. So perfect for Christmas time. And then the beads, these are going to be brilliant as well. This completes my Magpie collection. I am delighted to say that I now have the complete range of glitters, gels, acrylics, all your nail art, absolutely everything. It's taken me a grand total of 2 years to get here. Educators have to buy the products just like you guys do, so it does take us some time to build our collection, but I'm super chuffed to be carrying the full range. So I will be doing some videos on that coming up soon. Recent videos I've done, I did my top 40 most popular Magpie gel colours. This can be super helpful if you're using Magpie saving bundles. These are the new saving bundles online. On the website you get 20% off if you buy all the gels as a bundle, so that'll help you guys out there, or if you're planning on stocking up for Christmas. I've also done a bronze winter nail art kit list. If you're coming on any courses, this is a good guide for what to bring along with you on your kit list. I am going to record a silver one and a gold one too, using different colours, more Christmassy colours, not winter colours, so that'll be more my reds, my nudes, my greens. I'm literally just about to do that. Once I've done this video, I'm going to start on some more of those designs, so I'll hopefully have that up for you guys soon. If you've got any other video requests or anything you want me to do, please let me know and I'll do my best. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!